My name is Eric Malosh. I'm the faculty advisor for the College of Dupage Engineering and Technology Club. We're first going to weigh the robot. Robot weighs in at 36.08 kilograms.
Yeah. You want to hold that?
Yep. The length of the robot is 100.5 centimeters.
Do the width. I can hold it.
The width of the robot is 72.5 centimeters. The height of the robot is 59 centimeters. We're also using a commercial e-stop button that has a diameter of 4 centimeters. We have the ability to turn off the 2.4 gigahertz band simply by hitting that box and saving it.
E-stop active?
Yeah, it's good.
That feels like that's a lot more than we were getting outside.
It's a big scoop.
That's like the best scoop yet. I mean, you can press Y to deposit, it's 36 times.